Set priorities, don't make excuses. A lot of people say things like, oh, I don't have time for that. But what they really mean is they don't want to do that, or that's not as important as other things they've filled their day with. So, what you can do is look at your schedule to see how you've made yourself busy for the day and prioritize the importance of the different things you're doing. So if you want to get work out and get fit, but you say you don't have time, what are you wasting your time during the day with? Obviously, things like a job, you can't just not show up to your job so you can go to the gym for an hour or two. But there's other things that you can move around or maybe stop doing. So, do you spend 3 hours in the evening watching Netflix that you could walk around the block and do a couple of push ups at night instead? Do you find yourself scrolling through Facebook on your smartphone for an hour before you start getting ready for work? Maybe you could hit the gym before work instead of scrolling through your social media. Do you wake up and half an hour before you have to be to work and just enough time to get to work? Maybe you could, wake up an hour earlier so you can get in some cardio before you go to work. There's all kinds of different ways to shift your priorities around and add to your schedule the things that you should be doing but are telling yourself you can't do because you had to watch 2 hours of Netflix or you had to do an hour or two of mindless scrolling on social media.